Hey y'all, I'm Jen. Welcome back to Creative Grassroots. Today in the garden, I'll be harvesting and planting a true southern favorite, the collard green plant. Cooking collard greens is a southern tradition in the kitchen. There are countless wonderful recipes for this beautiful leafy green. I purchased my seeds over from my local nursery, and the collard green plant is very easy to get started. It generally takes 6 to 12 days for the seeds to germinate. And this is what the seeds look like. And I will be placing between 5 and 10 seeds per container. My containers are filled with the light airy soil that is mixed with perlite. The loose airy soil will help ensure my seeds will germinate. On average, it takes the collard green plant 85 to 95 days to grow from seed to harvest. Once all your seeds are sown, the next step is to place a light layer of soil on top. Make sure to remove any debris that could stop your seedlings from growing. After topping off my soil, my next step is to pat these down lightly but firm. And my next step will be watering. After giving your plants a healthy drink of water, don't forget to label. From here, I'll be placing all of my containers over at my seed starting table. And I'll definitely do an update in a couple of weeks to show you all the progress these have made. Next, I'll be harvesting some collard greens for tonight's dinner. And this plant is huge. It is so big and beautiful. It has a beautiful green color. Once harvested, I will be removing all the older leaves. Collards taste best when picked young, when the leaves are less than 10 inches long. Older leaves will taste bitter, tough, and stringy. So for best taste, make sure you harvest leaves under 10 inches. Collard greens enjoy a soil high in nitrogen. Granule slow-release fertilizers are great, as well as liquid organic fertilizers, such as fish or seaweed fertilizers. I've personally had great success using a Spoma bud meal. It's very high in nitrogen, which all leafy greens love. But of course, there is no right or wrong way to fertilize. It's whatever you find works best for you in your climate or growing zone. After the plants are harvested, I will be bringing them indoors where I'll be giving them a nice clean wash before cooking. And I'm definitely looking forward to tonight's dinner. I will be saving all of the older collard green leaves for my compost. Any questions or comments, go ahead and drop it down in the comments section below. I will leave a link to my favorite fertilizer down in the description. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'm Jen at Creative Grassroots. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.